In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default due dates for bills and invoices in Xero. Setting this up once will save you time on every new invoice, reduce errors, and help keep your cash flow predictable. Start on your Xero dashboard. At the very top of the screen, click your name or organization menu to open the account menu, then choose Settings. From there, go to Invoice Settings. This is where Xero stores your templates and the defaults that automatically fill in when you create new invoices. Open the Default Settings section. You'll see a heading for Sales Invoices Default Due Date. This controls the due date Xero assigns to every new sales invoice you create. You can still change dates on individual invoices, but this default gives you a consistent starting point. Click the drop-down to see the available options. If you choose of the following month, Xero will make the invoice due on a specific day in the next calendar month. Great for terms like due on the 15th of next month. If you select days after the invoice date, you can set classic net terms such as 7 plus or 30 days from the day you issue the invoice. Days after the end of the invoice month is ideal for end of month terms like EOM plus 7 days. So an invoice dated any time in March would be due a set number of days after March 31st. Finally, of the current month lets you pick a fixed day within the same month, which can work if you always want invoices due on, say, the 25th of the month they're issued. After you pick the option that matches your terms, enter the appropriate number in the due field. For day-based choices, type the number of days, like 30. For the of the current month or of the following month choices, enter the calendar day such as 15 or 30. Double check the selection to make sure it reflects how you actually communicate terms to customers. When you're happy with the setting, click Save. Your new default will apply to all new sales invoices you create from now on. Existing invoices won't be changed, and you can override the default on any single invoice if needed. On this same default settings page, you'll typically find a similar area for bills, letting you standardize due dates on the purchases you receive, which can help with approvals and cash planning. That's it. Your default due dates are set. With this in place, your invoices will go out consistently. Your reminders and payment expectations will align, and your team will spend less time adjusting dates and more time focusing on the work that matters.